Welcome back sa Financial Juan channel. This is episode 1 of our pocket-sized business model series. Today, we'll talk about how you can build your own digital service reselling empire, gamit lang ang phone mo. Mga ka-Financial Juan, let's talk about digital service reselling, isang business model na perfect sa mga gustong mag-start ng business with minimal risk. Basically, magiging one-stop digital payment center ka para sa community mo. Think about it, every day, millions of Filipinos need to pay bills, buy load, cash in sa GCash, or purchase gaming credits. Instead na pumunta sila sa convenience store or payment center, ikaw na ang magiging go-to person nila. Maganda dito, pwede mong gawin kahit saan ka man sa mundo. Perfect ito sa mga OFWs na gusto tumulong sa family sa Pinas while earning extra income. Sa mga local naman, pwede mong iserve ang neighborhood mo, office mates, or online community. Ano ang mga service na pwede mong i-offer? Let me explain sa inyo kung bakit importante ang bawat service na ito sa digital economy natin ngayon. Mobile load, pwede lahat ng network. Essential service ito kasi halos lahat ng Pinoy, specifically 98%, may cellphone. Quick ang kita with instant profit margin na 3 to 7%. Kasama lahat ng major telcos, Globe, Smart, TNT, San, at Dito. Usually, ang regular customers ay naglo-load 2 to 3 times monthly. Gaming pins. Sobrang lumaki na ang market nito dahil sa mobile gaming sa Pilipinas. Mataas ang demand lalo na sa Mobile Legends or ML, Call of Duty Mobile or CODM, at Valorant during tournaments. Mas malaki ang profit margin, 5 to 10% compared sa regular load. Target market mo dito ay students at young professionals. May special promos during major gaming events. Bills payment services. Solusyon ito sa mga gustong convenient na magbayad ng bills. Covered dito ang utilities, government fees, at credit card payments. Ang commission ay 5 to 15 pesos per transaction. Maganda ito para sa long-term customers kasi monthly sila nagbabayad. E-wallet cash-in services. Lumaki na ang demand nito dahil dumadami ang Pinoy na gumagamit ng digital payments. May service fee ka na 10 to 20 pesos per transaction. Mataas ang demand during paydays at distribution ng government aid. Important ito sa online sellers at freelancers. Online betting credits. Malaki ang commission dito, 5 to 10%. Tumataas ang demand during major sporting events. Kailangan lang proper documentation ng transactions. Usually weekly naglo-load ang regular customers. Internet data packages. Essential para sa work from home at online learning. Mas malaki ang kita compared sa regular load, 5 to 8%. Popular sa students at professionals. May mga promo bundles na mas maganda ang profit. Cable and utility payments. Monthly transactions ito. Steady ang customer base. Higher transaction values mean better commission. Perfect para sa busy professionals. Paano i-manage ang capital? Breakdown ng initial capital. Platform registration, 0 pesos. Free mag-register, kaya madaling simulan. Maganda mag-register sa multiple platforms para may backup. Initial loading capital, 3,000 pesos. Para may variety ka ng services. May buffer ka during peak demand. Pwede ka mag-bulk load para mas maganda ang rates. Marketing materials, 500 pesos. Para sa digital posters at price lists. Business cards para sa networking. Budget para sa social media ads. Basic branding materials. Emergency fund buffer, 1,500 pesos. Para sa system downtimes. Pang-handle ng refund requests. Para tuloy-tuloy ang service kahit may technical issues. Potential income growth. Basic phase, first 3 months, 3,000 to 5,000 pesos monthly. Focus muna sa pag-build ng customer base. Learning period ng platform features. Establish basic business processes. Build trust sa regular customers. Intermediate phase, 4 to 6 months, 5,000 to 10,000 pesos monthly. Time to expand services. Implement marketing strategies. Build social media presence. Start ng referral programs. Advanced phase, 7 months onwards, 10,000 to 15,000 pesos monthly. Develop automated systems. Create customer loyalty programs. Tray ng potential sub-resellers. Optimize profit margins. Maximum potential, 20,000 pesos or more monthly. Multiple platform operations. Malaki at stable na customer base. May efficient automated systems. Strong brand reputation. Let's compare platform options. GCash. Pinakamalaking user base sa Philippines. Maraming services available. Regular cashback promos. Mabilis ang customer support. Pay maaya. Magandang commission rates. User-friendly ang interface. Regular upgrade promos. Reliable ang transaction system. Coins.ph. May crypto transactions. May international remittance. Unique services. Lumalaking user base. Load central. Established reseller network. Malawak ang service coverage. Competitive rates. Professional support system. Step-by-step process. Step 1, platform registration. Piliin ang primary platform. Complete verification requirements. Set up security features. Link ang bank accounts. Step 2, capital loading. Start sa minimum required load. Distribute sa iba't ibang services. Monitor platform promos. Maintain reserve balance. Step 3, initial customer base. Start sa friends and family. Mag-offer ng introductory rates. Provide excellent service. Ask for referrals. Step 4, business expansion. Gumawa ng social media presence. Join community groups. Develop marketing strategy. Build customer database. Seasonal income guide. Peak seasons. Back to school, June to July. Focus sa load at data packages. May student promos. Partner with school orgs. Expected increase, 20 to 30%. Christmas season, November to December. Increase working capital. May gift packages. Extended service hours. Expected increase, 40 to 50%. New Year, January. Special holiday bundles. Year starter promos. Focus sa bill payments. Expected increase, 30%. Summer gaming season, April to May. Gaming pin promos. Tournament specials. Student vacation packages. Expected increase, 25%. Low seasons. August to September. Focus sa customer retention. Develop new services. Build emergency fund. February to March. System optimization. Update customer database. Plan service expansion. Success story, Jenny from Cavite. Paano siya nag-start? Initial capital, 5,000 pesos. Focus muna sa mobile load. Target, ang local neighborhood. Marketing, used Facebook Marketplace. Growth strategy. Service expansion. Nag-add ng bills payment. Included gaming pins. Started e-wallet services. Community building. Created Viber group. May referral system. Regular updates sa customers. Current status. Monthly income, 40,000 pesos. Business structure. May 5 active sub-resellers. May automated ordering system. Full-time digital business owner na. Expanded service area. Keys to success. Consistent quality of service. Strong relationship sa customers. Strategic reinvestment. Adaptable sa market changes. There you have it mga ka-financial Juan. Nakita nyo ba ang potential ng digital service reselling? Sa next episode, we'll talk about online dropshipping, another exciting business model na pwede nyong gawin na gamit lang ang inyong smartphone. Don't forget to like this video, share it sa mga friends nyo, and subscribe sa channel para hindi mo ma-miss ang next episode. Drop your questions sa comment section below. This is Financial Juan, helping you achieve financial freedom, one business model at a time.